Okay guys, we got the pistons in. It's time to get the cam done. We're gonna go ahead and get the old cam out, get the new one in, and get it to greet. Tension. New camshafts in. Found out that we forgot to order the timing gear set. Typical in a build like this. So we're going to go ahead and get the head studs installed, get the head set back on. We'll go as far as we can, and then we'll get a timing set coming. We'll finish degreeing the cam, get everything dialed in. All right guys, we've got the studs on. Now we're going to go ahead and get our new lifters put in. We're going to try to get, even though we can't get the, we need the timing set to finish the cam, we're going to go ahead and get the head set on this engine. All right guys, we got the studs in, we're cleaning everything up. We'll wipe it down with a clean rag. We're gonna go ahead and get the head gaskets on, set the heads on, and get them torqued in.
Passenger.
Thanks, sir. Need an old man do that for you?
Nope, like mine's down. What are you waiting on?
Mine just keeps popping up on its own.
You got a little rise in it, huh?
Alright, so this is the bolt for that ground. Okay.
It goes on the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, I don't remember, I'm assuming, yeah, this has got to be it.
So this goes on the back here?
Yes, on the back side of the, all the way on the back side of the engine.
So all this slides back.
Yeah,
here.
exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, and one of those, one of these holes, do you see which one I had it? That's the one I had it in.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm assuming that plastic clip.
It goes in the top one?
Yeah, it goes in one of them.
Okay.
I can't remember which one was
Well,
which.
we know that one goes in that hickey there, so we
Yeah.
got it.
All right, so I'm gonna hold this.
You hold half of it and you hold the other
Now
half?
I'll get it. I'll set it right up here.
You come back just a skosh more.
And if you get that somewhat snug to where we can still play with that harness, we can tighten it up on the back side.
Got you.
Oh, it's on the inside. Move the harness on the outside of the stud.
Right there? Maybe?
Now it's on the outside. You gotta lift that fuel line. There we go. We should be close.
Shazam!
Just like socks on a cat, baby.
All right, now we gotta make sure all the oil is off of them and the heads. They gotta go on dry. Yep. I would have thought just opposite, but anyway, so break the skeet away.
So this was all torque to yield.
Yeah, it's 30, 60, 90 on the little boats.
All right, 30 foot-pounds, 0 degrees. Now take your time, Bill.
Use the socket in the extension.
Just to get them going.
Yeah, no, to get them going, let's put them on there.
I'll take a beer. Yep. Yep. IPA.
Make it 2.
Make it good?
Yep.
Thank you, bud.
No problem. It ain't Bud, it's Coors. My wife.
So we're going to go ahead and get the chrome moly push rods set in. We're not going to put the lifter or the rocker arms on yet, but we're going to go ahead and set these in. All right. Would you like a drink, Bill?
Yep.